Hey everyone, how's it going? Azren, the language nerd here. I hope you're doing very, very well. Today we are going to be looking at my house, and we are going to learn about the different things that you can find in a house. This room that you are looking at right now is the living room. In the living room, there is a sofa. Another word for sofa is couch. On the couch, there are two cushions, as you can see. There is also a television, along with the television remote, and the television is on top of a TV stand. If we look a little bit lower, we are going to see the DVR. Another word for DVR is PVR. The PVR is the machine or the device that we use to record live television. That way, if I or someone misses a TV show, at least the TV show is still recorded and we can still watch it. Now that we have seen that room, let's go to another one. Let's go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, there are cupboards and cabinets. There is a fridge. Inside the fridge, there is food. Beside the fridge, there is a stove. And of course, more cupboards and cabinets. If you look below the cabinets and cupboards, you will see a counter. Right now on the counter, there are some knives and some containers. Beside the counter, you can see a sink. Attached to the sink, there is a tap. The tap turns on, and this is what we can use to wash the dishes. Another room in my house is the office. The most important things in the office are the printer and the computer desk. On the computer desk, there is obviously a computer, and of course there is the keyboard. In my house, there is another room which is very important, and that is the bathroom. In the bathroom, there is a sink, just like in the kitchen. There is a toilet. There is a medicine cabinet. And of course, there is the shower. Some bathrooms will only have a shower. They do not have a bath. Other bathrooms will have a bathtub and they will have the shower. For example, in my house, we have 3 bathrooms. 2 of the bathrooms only have a shower, while the other one has a bathtub and a shower. Let's move on to another room in the house. This room is the bedroom. The bedroom has many things inside of it. There is, of course, the bed. On the bed, there is a blanket, and of course, there is a pillow. Beside my bed, there is a dresser, and inside the dresser is where I keep my clothes, or rather, most of my clothes. On the floor, close to the dresser, you will see my slippers. I wear them in the house when it is cold to keep my feet warm. Beside my dresser, there is a closet which has more of my clothes. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please, in the comments, I want your feedback. Tell me, did you like this video? Did you not like it? What kind of English videos do you want to see from me? Let me know. I want to make videos that everybody likes and that are useful for everyone. So your feedback is very, very much appreciated. Well, thank you again for watching, and we will talk next time. Bye for now.